Hey everybody, wanted to give you an update here on what happened on the second try here. So after adding these features here to this right away, before I even got one bag out of the mixer, it just totally wound the screw up and twisted it right off. So these things added too much resistance for the strength of this material. And yeah, it was shut down right away. So time to rethink this and retool and come back at it. So I decided I'm gonna roll 3/8 square stock, and then my tool that I made to make this type of winding helix won't work for that. I have to redesign it, and so I figure I'll just leave that as is and redesign a new tool, and then I'm going to be using bigger pipe, 1-inch pipe, so that guides it and makes it stay steady while it's forming the stock around. And my first try was a total failure here, but you could see how the stock will roll this way or that way. I thought because it's square stock it would stay straight and maybe wouldn't need a guide, but no, this is what happened here. So I made this guide here, a channel there, where the stock's got to ride through there like that, and then we got this. I'm really feeling good about this. I like this. Much more heavy dutier and stiff. So I'm getting ready to set up and make one out of one continuous. I got a 12-foot piece I'm ready to wind up, so I'll show you that one. Set this tool up on the lathe and make that thing. This is a screen made out of 3/16 round stock for down in the hopper. Screen out any big chunks that might be hiding in one of the bags. That worked out pretty good. Okay, we're all set up here on the lathe. We got the 1-inch black pipe and 3/8 square stock. We're ready to wind it on there. Got 12 feet of it going up over this way like that. So let's give it a go here and see what happens. Oh, you motherfucker. Snapped it right off. This is cold roll. I might have to go with the hot roll. Son of a bitch. Yep, there we are. Done. See the brittleness of that metal. Okay, here we go. We're all set up again. And let's see how it goes. There we go. There we go. Fuck. This shit's just too hard. Unreal. Damn. Alright, here we go. We're all set up on the lathe. The new forming tool here. There's the guide right there. Keep it from rolling one way or another. Let's give it a go. Yeah, that looks right. Definitely better with the hot roll. Yeah, metal forming is fucking awesome. Hell yeah. Okay, we're gonna change this because when some cement falls out here and it comes down and that falls off either side of this, and this is where the air blows this way, so it blows cement dust all over the chain and sprocket drive, and we don't like that. So I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna weld another piece in here so that nothing changes when I cut this out, and then that way this will be clear, and I'll install a trough that comes out and anything that comes out the back here, because I think it's almost impossible to completely seal that up. So as long as it's just a small amount, that'll be acceptable. So I'll make a trough there that brings anything that falls out this way. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting and welding into it. Okay, I just did all that work to set this little chute up, so stuff that falls out could just see how it's kind of at an angle, go out and away from the machine there. And then remanufactured new auger. It's a lot more heavy duty. Welded a couple little chunks on, like 3. Much more heavy duty. 3/8 square stock. Alright, let's get it assembled. Give it a go here. The bag cutter I had first built worked okay, but I had to like fight with the bags a little more than I wanted to get it cut, so I decided to make some more aggressive shark-like teeth out of hot water tank metal, and that's a hell of a lot more aggressive. Put all those teeth on there like that. We basically want to perforate the bag so that when you drop it on there, lift the 2 ends up, it just opens and all the material just falls right out with little effort. So this is definitely going to be a major improvement on that.
Oh.